adventurous.
Man, move your pedal! Any side, left or right?
Left, right, we are in.
I have this card here. Come front side, man. This is front. Yes. Come next. Okay. Take outside your pedal. Move a direction. In forward, what we will do, please hold the pedal from top. This is not a good. Yes. Okay, in forward, you have to dip your blade part and draw the water front to back. This is called forward. Back. Top. There is a total 5 rapids. 5 times weight. Okay, we will hit. So in rapid tide, don't make a noise, make it silent. Okay, stop. Go forward. Front to back. Move. Man, move your pedal. Front to back. Stop. What are you saying anything? I'm saying just forward, so move forward. Front to back. Stop. Bhaiya, I described everything. Yeah. Move your pedal vertical, not horizontal. Move forward.
Like this.
What is vertical? Do you mean vertical? Yes.
Okay.
Stop. The first rapid you are coming is known as clubhouse. Go forward. Forward, move. Stop. The next one is butterfly. Let's go forward. Go forward, man. Okay, now hold your paddle and take your paddle vertical, like that. This is called vertical, okay?
Okay.
Now hold that in this position. Hold the paddle, just like this, and hold it, everyone. When I say forward, then dip the water into, okay? And then draw in one time, everyone in one time. Make a synchronization. Okay? Move forward. Yes. You can also use your body movement with your paddle. Give a direction. Yes. Stop.
ഇത് രണ്ടാമത്തെ ലോക്കാണ്.
അഡീഷണൽ സേഫ്റ്റിയാണ്. അങ്ങോട്ടൊന്നും നല്ല സൗണ്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ.
Back pedal. Stop. Now give me this paddle. Come here, sir. Yes. And just hold the rope in front. Now you have a much space and better grip. We can jump in the water in that rapid. So when I say jump, you have to lock your paddle like that, okay? And then take both legs outside and sit like that and hold the lifeline with one hand, not two hands. In one hand holding and slide down and then turn back and take both hands, okay? And if you feel comfortable, you can complete jump from the boat without any rope. Okay, go forward. Move your paddle strong, like that. Your paddle goes like that. I need that. Yeah. Stop. Okay, go forward, team. Go forward. Go forward fast as you can. Go fast. Lock your pedal. Now you can go in the water. Yeah, let's go. Yes. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Don't take hard. Just relax your body and leave your body weight on the jacket. push. Okay, now come closer the boat.
Okay.
Is it enough?
Yeah. വാ എടാ അവനെ കേറ് ഗോണ്ട എടുത്ത് വാ.
Okay.
Okay.
Leave rope.
ഇനി ഫോർവേഡ് എന്ന് പറയില്ല. ഇത്തിരി ബിരിയാണി ഇട്ടുമ്പോൾ കടയും കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞു തരാൻ പറ.
വെള്ളം കിട്ടാൻ തലയാണ്. അവിടെ നല്ല ഇതുണ്ടോ സെറ്റ്.
Okay, go forward. Go fast. Stop. Stop. Just relax.
The best season for rafting in which month?
This is the best because in peak season you can't enjoy lots of time because here the water level is also medium and the crowd is also medium, not so you can enjoy anything. But in season we don't have lots of time, so we have to just go and come. And the water levels is also too much high. In 45 minutes we will cover this distance.
ഇതില്ലേ
ഫസ്റ്റ് ഒക്കെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഫസ്റ്റ് വെള്ളം ഒന്ന് അടിച്ചോ. അയ്യോ കട്ട തണുപ്പായിരുന്നു ഫസ്റ്റ് അടിച്ചത്.